Hey, welcome back to Slime Rancher. You might notice that we're a bit farther ahead. That's because my recording decided to fuck up. So, yeah, that's great. And I just didn't feel like just creating a new save. So, yeah. So let me tell you what's new. We, got some hunter crystals, because that makes good money, apparently. At least from what I was looking at that. We combined the rad crystals. Got another mint mango tree, got an odd onion thing, and we also unlocked the overgrowth, I believe. Yeah, we unlocked the overgrowth. So we have all that. So now we will be. Well, we need to sleep. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Another thing I did was I popped a honey gordo in the mossy blanket, and I unlocked the entrance to the ruins. But for right now, I need to put these puddle slimes in a puddle, or what is it, a pond? Yeah. Okay. Okay. They'll just stay there. And with that pond, and now we need, I need to take care of these slimes. So, we're gonna be working on getting the ruins opened. That'll be our order of first business, is making sure that the, place is in working order. Not working order, I'll just get that door open and explore. So we can get some quantum slimes. I should put an auto feeder on this. Okay. So we need, as far as I know, we need a boom plort. Boom plort. Honey plort. Boom honey. So boom honey, rad, and rad rock. Tabby, yeah, tabby. Okay, fuck. Well, I will cut to when I get the ports or I find something new. Oh, open that. That was fast. So now that we've opened that, looks like we should get some quantum slimes. Fucking love the music of this. Yeah, we should get a phase lemon and a quantum slime. So we'll grab 2 of these. Is there anything on this one? Nope. There is on that. Oh, fuck. Yeah, okay. Plucked from the tree rooted in the past, future, or present. God. Oh, the 7Z Corporation. That's probably the 7Z Rewards Club. From what I remember, it's like 7th day, you unlock the 7Z Reward Club. It's like the Bible. Like on the 7th day, the 7Z Corporation will allow you to pay money. Hello. Hello. Hello, quantum slimes. Now, I need to figure out what combination of quantum slime will make money. I'll just grab 5 for the fucks of it. I mean, it'll work in my favor. I have an empty slot for, an empty plot. And I have a few things, few slimes that might be able to make good money. Wonder if I can just... Yeah, that's probably too much. Well, hold up. Let's see, there's this boy. This will be the monochrome. Oh no, Guardian. Kind of forgot that that was there. I forgot that there was I forgot the lucky slime even existed. Okay, map. Oh. I guess it's a... Oh yeah, it's Friday. So, the party goes somewhere. I don't know where. Let's see. That's not where I wanted to go. So now, I will cut to when we're at the ranch, and I'll figure out with you guys what to make these. Okay, welcome back to the ranch. Let's see. What would be a good combination of quantum and, Wow, I really fucked up the market. Quantum Hunter. Let's see. I don't really need this. I don't really need the second tree, so what I'll do is I'll remove crop. And I'll suck up all this so that I can put it in auto feeder, but yeah. Probably should get an upgrade to my storage space, because 30 is not doing it right now. Even if I even can get an upgrade to it. Let's see. Yes, I can. That just costs 500. Okay, that's good enough. Now before drum freeze. Okay. I can do that for you, Victor, but it's probably gonna take some time. Like it gives us one of the plorts of one of the slimes, but he gives us a plort that's totally different from the other. That's nice. Okay. So what do we need? I need to get a key for the glass desert. And the glass desert will allow me to do cooler shit with all of these plots. What else? Well, I need to unlock the Ogden's retreat. That's what I need to do. Thanks for the dumbasses. Oh shit. Okay. I'll buy a tank upgrade with this. Booster. Okay. There's the tank. Now I should be able to hold 40, or I think 50. It's like 50 is actually the next upgrade. Yeah, I think I'm only able to hold 40 currently. And it looks about that. So how's your day been? Oh, that's good. That's good. Oh, that's not very good. Oh, really? Interesting. They threw a brick? Wow. That suck. Ah, I see. Oh, you had to close down. Ah, I understand. Oh, wow. Then they pulled a smash and grab off your closed store? Jesus. Really just sucks to be you. Yeah, I'm sorry. That was a poor taste. Okay, never mind. I got star mail. The van. Casey, haha, it wasn't that bad. You just don't have the fortitude to make it as an artist, I guess. Beatrix Ballou can climb a mountain before breakfast, but can't spend a few days in modestly accommodated, breaks down only half the time vintage touring van. You were so miserable. I still laugh about it, but I really did appreciate it for those few days. It was great to have you in the crowd. That van still runs, by the way, Casey. P.S. That was a lie. The van literally caught on fire while we were driving it, and it died like a Viking. Yeah. the 7Z Rewards Club. Knew it. 7Z Corporation. Miss Lebu. The 7Z Corporation would like to extend our very special offer to you. An invitation to the very exclusive, exceptionally choice, highly sought after 7Z Rewards Club. The 7Z Reward Club allows you to earn ultimate premium ranks within an exclusive club for only a ultra premium price. It's just that easy. Each rank grants you a new club title, along with unique rewards such as beautiful upgrades for your ranch, exclusive customization options, and more. We are looking forward to your enrollment. The 7Z Corporation, offering you a path to greatness, one large sum of Numux at a time. Yeah, they want money. Salutation. Wait, I like how this is just them taking money from us. They pay us. It's just that they're taking back money for cool shit. I mean, it makes sense. It's nice. It's nice to have upgrades. Salutations, Miss Lebu. Victor Humphreys. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Victor Humphreys, professional slime rancher, slime scientist, and amateur musician. My understanding is that Miss West has already informed you of how the range exchange works, so I will spare you any further education. Instead, I'll illuminate you on what you can expect from my own request. As a slime scientist / rancher, I have a tremendous interest in the liquidiform legion that we share the vast range with, the slimes. My studies also often keep me from venturing out on the range daily, and when I find myself short on a particular species, I use the range exchange to fill that gap. Don't worry though, I will reimburse you handsomely for your efforts. Good luck in your new venture, Miss Lebu. I look forward to seeing life breathed once again into the former Twiggler's ranch. Yes. It's nice. I like this. So, this is the 7Z's Reward Club. Costs 750 for a rooster weather vane. Yeah. Okay. So now I need to we're gonna make some quantum hunters. They look like sadistically happy. Okay. Now, it's time to do some plort doing. Okay. Editor me. Make sure to. Okay, so we're gonna do this so that we can complete it, and we only have about 2 minutes, so let's do this. Yeah, I did not give myself time at all. So we need 7 tabbies and 7 boom slimes. This is... Why did I wait last minute? Because I'm a dumbass, that's why. Okay. Let's see, so... With that, hopefully we can get and unlock the thing that we need, which is Ogden's Retreat. Or Mochi Megabugs, it doesn't matter, because I unlocked the grotto as well. So that's nice. Let's see. Let's see. So we have 5 of the 7. And I think I might have failed it. But I might as well go ahead and just grab the 7 tabby slimes. Just to see if I missed. If I missed the, like, time limit, that's gonna suck, but it's gonna suck, but it's not gonna be the worst thing in the world. I also like how my dad is doing things behind it, so if you hear like a buzzing noise, don't worry. I hear it too. Yeah, I definitely failed. Oh, there's Ogden. So might as well do his thing. He'll be easier than Victor, especially when I do it, like now. Out of all of the characters in this game, Bob and Ogden are my favorite. Oh, change of plans. We're getting a party slime. So we need food. That's not food. That's owie. Oh, there's a treasure pod down there. Okay. Let's see. So we need like 15 things. Doesn't matter what it is. It's just 15. As long as we have 15, we're fine. We're golden. And will this be 15? Maybe, possibly, who knows? Okay, I think that's 15. Wait. Yeah, that's 15. It's more than 15. Got 18. There's the boy. There he is. Look at him. With his party effects. And his bumpin' music. This is bumpin'. Oh shit! Oh, that nearly went into the ocean. The party Gordo is such a nice addition to the game. It's so nice. Very nice of the developers to do this. Thank you for the tabby ornaments. And down. And I will just do this, because I don't care. I'll deal with them later. Okay, so now let's read Ogden's email. Hiya, Beatrix. Name's Ogden Ortrees. I'm a slime rancher much like yourself, but I fancy myself as a farmer. I came to the far range to grow fruits and veggies the way we used to back on Earth, getting down into the soil and getting your hands dirty. Do you know that caroms improve your your night vision? Yeah, seriously, they do. I don't see why all the rangers aren't just gobbling it down every chance they get. Being lost out on the range at night can be so dangerous. Well, don't let me ramble on you here. We'll be in touch via the ranger change. I tend to only raise slimes that eat fruits and veggies, so expect those kind of requests from me. Looking forward to doing business with you. Ogden Ortrees. P.S. Have you ever heard of the Gilded Ginger? It's a mythical veggie that is said to be the favorite food of the equally mythical gold slime, but some say that neither of them actually exist, which is bullshit because they do. Otherwise, why would the gold port be available to sell? I'm working on a new recipe. Help me out. So, Q-berry, heartbeat. Yeah, it's heartbeat, and a carrot. Okay, I can do that. So, I should have looked at how much I need. It's like 7 carrots. Isn't it like 7? It's 7. Then I need 2 heartbeats. 2 heartbeats and 5 Q-berries? 5 Q-berries. Now, to be honest, some people be like, these fruits look insane. Problem is, there are fruits that look even more insane than these. Like the Q-berry, that's nothing compared to the durian. Air drive. I'll buy that later. Come on, okay. Let's see. Okay. So now we need the Q-berries, which is 5. Here, I'll help you out. I like how there's that thing right there, but none of the slimes can jump high enough to get it. I mean, they can, they just choose not to. Which is the funny thing. So I need, 5 Q-berries. I like how there's the chicken coop. There's like there's the pile for chickens up there. But all the chickens walk down because they're dumb and stupid and dumb. That's a bit harsh of me to say, but hey, I mean it's true. Dumb, stupid, and dumb. They get off the part of the safe part and go into the part that's filled with like things that will try to eat them constantly. If that's not dumb, I don't know what is. Boom ornament. So now I need just 1 more Q-berry, which will be easy, because it'll probably just be in this area. Honestly, the music in this game is really calming. Game's music is nice. I always love it. To me, a lot of the time, music in the game is what makes the game. It's just what makes the game so interesting to me sometimes. Nice, calming music for this game fits. Yeah. I also just like how these places looks at night. Like this just looks beautiful. Like these fallen, empty, hollowed out logs look fucking amazing. This game's just so fun. Honestly, like, I have so much fun just playing this game. And I should now have done the thing. Partnership? Ogden Ortrees. I'm gonna say Ogden Ortrees. Or Ortiz. I think it might be... I'm gonna just call him Ogden. You seem to be making a name for yourself, and I like your style, so let me cut right to the chase. I'd like to offer you a job doing a little side work for me. I've got a chunk of land on the outskirts of my property that has access to a place called the Wilds, a land of primitive feral slimes and dangerous as all get out, but also home to a delicious rare fruit that I love. If you're up for for a challenge, come on down to a little retreat of mine near the wilds and learn more. I found a Derelict Teleporter on your network that I've activated on your ranch. It'll take you right to it. Hope to see you there. Ogden agrees. Epic. And now I should put all these fruits into these bad boys' heads, so that I don't have to deal with too much in the morning. So now we're gonna be dealing with. I like how the chickens will just like ram head first into shit. That's one of my favorite things. They're just so dumb. Okay, I did the ranch shit. Now it's time for Ogden for trade. Yay, Ogden yeah. This ceiling's really short. Anyway, thanks, Beatrix. Thanks for coming down to my retreat and hearing me out on my offer. So let's get right down to business. I built this place years ago as a little vacation spot for myself. Later on, I realized that it neighbors a cluster of islands filled with primitive saber slimes. Called these islands the Wilds. After exploring them, they revealed their true nature, their true secret, the rare cocodoba fruit. What's a cocodoba? Why, it's only the most delectable, irresistible fruit in the known world, in the known universe. Well, most people say it tastes like raw cheese, but they're wrong. Anyway, I soon became obsessed with cocodobas, but I found myself quickly becoming too old and too slow to deal with the risk. You see, the wilds are home to hordes of feral slimes, the descendants of the ancient saber slime that once hunted these lands. Collecting cocodobas is dangerous, and that's where you come in. I'll happily reward you for collecting the sweet, sweet cocodobas for me. Just deposit them into this custom range exchange here, and we're in business. Collect enough of them for me, and I'll start by giving you my secret miracle mix for your garden. So I'll also reward you with a block of my special spicy tofu for every 3 cocodobas. I've activated the teleporter to the wilds here at the retreat. It's now yours to explore as you see fit. Just know that the warp network there is a little buggy. You won't always arrive at the same place, and you will have to find a working teleporter to make your way back. It's buggy, I know. Just be prepared. Nice. Slimepedia survival guide to the wilds. Interesting. So we need 75 cocodobas for the miracle mix, which is actually really nice, and 3 for Thayet. Wonder what he says. Head to the wilds and get those cocodobas. Just be careful. There are lots of feral saber slimes roaming every inch of those lands. Oh, and one more thing. Saber slimes have an odd habit of bundling up cocodobas into mud balls that harden up like stone. The only way to break them up is with something I designed called the Kuka Cracker. You'll find them scattered across the wilds. You can't miss them. Just shoot a mud ball into them and collect the sweet, delicious. My mouth is watering just thinking about them. Go, go, go. Yeah, he's cuckoo for cocodobas. Probably a joke. So I need to find cocodobas. This, of course, I won't cut out just because it's the short, like, it's interesting enough. It's fun. It's like a mini game, because it is. That's literally all this is. It's a mini game. No. That went rotting. Yeah. Saber slime. The only slime that you can only get in a a Largo form. Yeah, you can only get a Largo form of a saber slime. Oh, I also upgraded. I also got the air drive and increased the energy capacity. So, I now have more energy to run and frolic. Is there anything on these sides? Nope, okay. Well, cleared out everything. This. So now it's time to go over here. Get more Kukadoas. Oh, hey. I'll take some save reports. Because they're interesting. Save. Okay. Thank you for the Kukadoas. Oh, there's Mochi. Mochi is kind of in like the same category as Victor, in like the pain of an ass, how much of a pain in the ass it is to get stuff for them. Because Mochi requires slime ports, which is easier, but it's still a pain in the ass. And sometimes the ports it calls for is like pink ports, and it's just like, okay, I can get those. And then she'll just randomly call out for a port that you have no access to at that current second, because you don't have it on your farm. But her thing, the quick Mochi's Megabucks, which is the Quicksilver slimes, is nice and very. I nearly just died there. It's nice and it's fun. But so we'll probably be doing that next. Nice. Yep. I know how to avoid you guys. Don't try to eat me. Eating me is no good. Humans are friends, not food. Oh, that only made them angry. Whoop. I like when you play a game, you get so good at it, you just like start doing stupid shit for the funs of it. I haven't gotten to that point yet, but I will. Maybe it'll be on the 300th hour. Idiot. Idiot. Right, that portal doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, okay, so we got 29. Not really as much as I want, so we'll explore a bit more and hopefully get an entire 40 in my inventory. I hope. Let's see. Oh, you're Hayapi. Is there anything up here? No. But there should be a Kudoba behind there. Nope. Okay. So there's one last spot that I know of that should have the remaining few Kudobas, which is over in this area, but I need some energy. This is what happens when you have a lot of feral Largos. It's very easy for tar to spawn. Ah, shit. I like how the feral, even though they're really hungry and will basically eat anything, including ranchers, they are scared of the tar. They fear the tar. No. 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 Stop trying to kill me. Yeah. I like how the Sabertooth just looks like lemons. Honestly, they're literally just like lemon. Which is funny, because they're just funny, so. Nearly just fucking fell off there. That would have sucked. Okay, so now we need to go over here and get this saber tooth. Because that's the saber tooth thing. The pre-jellyastic. Nice. Okay. This will be like a once a day thing. Thanks for the spicy tofu. Okay, so I should make a silo here. And I'll just grab a... I'm a dumbass. I'm not gonna need... Okay. I'm a complete and utter fucking dumbass. Okay, that's where my saber tooth stuff will go. Or the saber plort. Now... let's see what Mochi wants. So, red, quantum, phosphor. I can do the quantum, the rad. Can't do the phosphor just yet, but I do know of a few all-day feral phosphors that I can get pretty easily. So that would be nice. You probably know what I'm talking about, but if you don't, it's the connecting zone for the indigo quarry. So, one thing I wish is that if the plorts that Mochi wants you to get actually go up in price, that would be interesting. I'm like tangoing with death here. Okay. Thank you for the 3 phosphors. Now, I was trying to lie. I like how the moon is a slime. Well, it has like a slime face on it. Is the moon a slime? Thanks for the mint mangoes. Okay. And I will cut to when I'm done with the ranching. Okay, it's these things. I like how Mochi just doesn't have a subject. Mochi Miles, well, it seems like another wannabe rancher has signed up for a lonely existence on a faraway space rock. Congrats, Matrix. I'm Mochi Miles. That's Miles as in Tetsuya Miles, a billionaire. I'm here to do important business for my dad, but that doesn't mean I won't make all the rest of these backwater types out here look bad in the process. No one conquers the plort market like I do, day in, day out. My dad gives me an inside track, so I look forward to my requesting plorts that I know will make me huge profits later on. So I wish you the best of luck, Beatrix. Maybe you'll even reach second place in it, and at the very least, you can tell your friends that you helped out the great Mochi Miles in her conquest of the far range. Later, Tater. Mochi Miles, Top Rancher.
She's a bit... I don't know if you know this, but she's a bit narcissistic.
No subject, Mochi Miles. The other Rangers won't shut up about you, and it's starting to get annoying, so let's see what all the fuss is about. I'd like to talk business with you, so I went ahead and activated a spare teleporter in that horrible cave you call a ranch expansion. The teleporter will take you to my estate. I have others too, where we can work out the details. Don't keep me waiting. See you there, Square. Mochi Miles, Top Rancher. God.
I still don't know if you know this, but she sounds a bit narcissistic to me, but I don't know, that's just my opinion.
Out of all of the characters, Mochi I hate, but I have an understanding about. Yeah, I'll do that later. And it's ranching time. I'll cut the ranching because it seems boring, unless it is, and I don't know. Okay, welcome back. Now it's time to do this. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Actually, it's actually becoming, I've been recording for about an hour. Yeah. That'll be next time. So, yeah, yeah, we'll do Mochi's Megabucks next time. Now, hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I know I enjoyed making this. I'm gonna have fun editing this. So, yep. I guess if you want, you can do whatever you want. You can subscribe or not. I don't care. Do whatever you want. It's a free country. Unless you're in North Korea. Then why are you watching this? Anyway, bye.